Hi friend, now I am to show you how the data is organized in memory. So lots of data type like a character, how the character data type organized in memory. Same thing, how the integer data type is organized in memory. How the float data type is organized in memory. So different data type how it is organized in memory. देखिए, first is character. In your programming language, fill ready character x is equal to suppose a. This x is a variable, a is a constant. So before going to know how the data is organized in memory, one thing remember, every data stores in memory in a binary format. 100%. Every data stores in memory in a binary format. But if I have written character x is equal to a cannot convert into binary. So what happens here? Internally a is converted into its ASCII value. What is the ASCII value of every character? What is the ASCII value of capital letter A? 65. First A is converted into ASCII value 65, then 65 is converted into binary. What is the binary? Acha, character type reserve how much memory? Character type reserve for 1 byte. 1 byte मतलब 8 bits. 1 byte मतलब 8 bits. Character x is equal to a is converted into 65. What is the binary for 65? You know the binary for 65. 65 by 2. 65 by 2 is 32. Remainder is 1. 32 by 2 is 16, remainder is 0. 16 by 2 is 8, remainder is 0. 8 by 2 is 4, remainder is 0. 4 by 2 is 2, remainder is 0. 2 by 2, remainder is 0. 2 into 1 is 2, remainder is 0. 1, 5, 0, 1. 1, 5, 0, 1. How many bits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So fill up it from the bottom. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. The last remaining bit is 0. This is the binary for 65. मतलब character x is equal to a is equal to 65. 65 is stored in memory. This format. This is every data stores in memory in binary. But remember, character is two types. This character data is two types. One is a signed character, another is a unsigned character. Signed character. Another is a unsigned character. Unsigned character. What is the signed character? What is the unsigned character? देखिए. So character is how many bytes? 1 byte. Character is 1 byte. I am doing a box of 1 byte. 1 byte is 8 bits. 1 byte is 8 bits. What is the signed? What is the unsigned? If I had unsigned, data is stored in entire 8 bits. Entire 8 bits data is stored. Entire data is stored in entire 8 bits. If I had signed, data does not store in entire 8 bits, data store in 7 bits. Here data is stored and this is known as a signed bit. This is known as what? Signed bit. What is the signed bit represents? Signed bit represents the data is positive or negative. If the sign is 0, it represents the data is positive. If the sign is 1, it represents the data is negative. So sign 1, it is a sign 0, data is a positive. Here I am writing another box. It is 80 bits. And here is a sign bit. This is known as a sign bit. If the sign bit is 0, the entire data is positive. And sorry, sign is 1. Here entire data is negative. So this is unsigned. This is unsigned. This is a sign positive. This is sign negative. Acha, tell me, if all the data bits are 0, if all the data bits are 0, that the minimum data it can hold. What is the minimum data? The minimum data 80 decimal value is 0. The minimum data is 0. If all the data is 1, if all the data bits are 1, the maximum data, all the 8 bits decimal value is 255. So you know how to convert binary to decimal. So this is the minimum range of minimum and maximum range of unsigned character. Now come to this sign. If sign is 0, data is positive. What is the minimum data it can hold? If all the 7 bits are 0, that is the minimum positive. What is the minimum positive? 0. If all the 7 bits are 1, that is the maximum positive. What is the decimal of 7 1? It is a 127. That is the range of sign positive, 0 to 127. Now come to the sign negative. Sign negative. What is the sign negative? If the sign bit is 1, if all the 7 bits are 0, then the answer will be negative. What is the minimum data? It will become, it is coming minus 0, because sign is 1 means it is coming minus, sign 1 means data is negative, minus 0. If all the 7 bits are 1, then the maximum negative. What is the maximum negative? It is minus 127. Then what is the range? Minus 0 to minus 127. So no, my dear friend, 0 neither will be negative nor will be positive. So this is a problem. The result is coming minus 0, minus 127. To overcome this problem, minus 0, the number is undefined. You cannot say it is a minus 0. The number is undefined. To overcome this problem, ANSI, American National Standard Institute, ANSI decided all negative, the binary of all the negative data must be stored in memory in a 2s complement. Must be stored in what? 2s complement. Because why the data is stored in 2s complement? Because to overcome the problem minus 0. So what will do? This binary maximum data, this is the minimum binary, will be stored in a 2s complement. What is the 2s complement? 1s complement plus 1. What is the, this is the binary, I am writing all the binary 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the binary. What is its 1s complement? Inverse of this binary. What? 1 becomes 0, all the 1 becomes 0. So plus 1, 1s complement plus 1. So answer becomes 1. Though sign is 1, answer will be minus 1. This is the maximum range of sign negative. Then sign minimum range, there is a 7, 0. 7, 0. 1s complement becomes 7, 1. Then plus 1. You know the binary addition? 1 plus 1, binary is 1 plus 1 is 2, binary is 1, 0, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, binary is 1, 0, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, binary is 1, 0, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, binary is 1, 0, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, binary is 1, 0, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, binary is 1, 0, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, binary is 1, 0, 0 carry 1. So 170. What is the decimal value? It is the decimal value is 128. But the sign is 1. Answer is minus 128. So anybody is asking how to get minus 128? Simple answer, the 2s complement of a 70. How to get a minus 1? The 2s complement of what? 71. This way, sign character, unsigned character present in memory. Acha, what do you understand? If I had unsigned character, its minimum range is 0, maximum range is 255. When you write sign character, its minimum range is minus 128, maximum range is 127. So it has a minimum to maximum, minimum positive, minimum negative to maximum positive. Here it is 0 to 255. So tell me, unsigned is a modifier. If I write unsigned modifier, the range is 255, maximum range is 255, positive range. If I write sign character, the positive range is 127. It is an interview question. Which modifier doubles the range of a data type? So answer is a unsigned modifier. Unsigned modifier. If you write any data type before, if you write unsigned, the range of the data type is changed, becomes double of the data type. So this is all about the character data type. Next I am going to explain what is integer type.